Today our topic is levels of management or levels of organization. Each organization, they have to maintain 3 levels. Without these 3 levels, the organization cannot success their goals. So these 3 levels, level 1, 2 and 3. This level 1 is also called as top level, level 2 is also called as middle level, and level 3 is also called as lower level. Lower level is also called as supervisory level or operational level. Okay, in this diagram you have to see 3 levels we are showing here, and this is the top level, and this is the middle level, and this is the lower level. This is level 1, 2 and 3. And in this diagram you can see here, this symbol is coming from top to down. Okay, and I am writing here authority, and this is going from lower to top level management. This is accountability. So what is this authority and what is this accountability here, you have to understand. So already you know this is the 3 levels of management. Our organization is in the 3 levels. In this organization 3 levels we need. We cannot do only with the top level and only with the middle level and only with the lower level. 3 levels we need to success our goal. And this symbol is coming from the top level to lower level. It is showing here. This is the authority. So what is the meaning of authority? Authority means it is a commands, orders. So here what is there in the top level management? So in the top level management BOD will be there, board of directors. Okay, in the top level, not only one organization, any organization, 3 levels, top level, middle level and lower level. Under the top level management means under the level 1, we have to see all the board of directors will be there and chairpersons will be there. Okay, so here also you can see in the top level management, okay, so all the board of directors and chairman, president, vice presidents, okay, and general managers and CEO, CFO, okay, chief, okay, financial officers, chief operating officers, these all are under the top level management. Okay, this is the level 1. Under this level 1, it is also called as top level management. Under the top level management, who are working means who are there here, board of directors, chairpersons, president, vice presidents, CEO and CFO and chief operational officers. This is all including in the top level management. And coming to here, second level management or middle level management. This level is okay, present between the lower level and the top level management. That's why it is a middle level management. Okay, it means it is having interconnection between the top level management and the lower level management. So in this middle level management, okay, so mainly there is a presence members are purchase managers, all type of ward, okay, managers and sales managers, marketing managers, all type of executive officers and plant superintendent and divisional heads and departmental heads. Each and every departments there is a heads will be there. Okay, in this middle level management, all departmental heads are present in the middle level management. And coming to the lower level. So under this lower level management, all supervisors, okay, all departmental supervisors will be present and superintendents and foremans and sectional officers, clerks and sub-departmental executive officers, etc. This is the lower level management, means top level, middle level, under the lower level. See in this diagram I am showing this already I told. Okay, this authority is coming from the top level to middle and the lower level. Means this top level management people means our directors, okay, chairpersons and executive officers, CEOs, everybody is giving orders and commands to the middle level management. Means the order is the authority. Okay, the authority is coming from the top level management. The top level management people can able to pass orders to the middle level management. The authority is coming from the top level management. This lower level people is not having any rights to order the top level management. The top level management persons are having the authority to order something to the middle level management. Okay, that's why this authority is coming from the top to lower level. Okay, authority is coming from the top level to lower level, means top level management persons are giving some instructions, some rules and regulations, okay, and some policies to the middle level managers. At this middle level persons are passing these orders to the lower level. Means the hierarchy is coming from the, means the orders authority is coming from the top level to the middle level and middle to lower level. Okay, this is the authority, top to lower. Means this top level people can able to pass orders to the middle level people can able to pass orders to the lower level people. But this lower level people is not having any connection directly to the top level management. Means they are not having any rights, okay, to ask questions directly to the, or to pass orders directly to the top level management. That is the accountability. Accountability is going from lower to the top. Authority is coming from the top to lower. Authority means there is a directions, commands, orders. The orders are coming from our boss. Okay, from our boss it is coming to the all type of ward managers or departmental heads, and departmental heads are passing these orders to the all type of supervisors. That is the authority. Authority is coming from the top level, then it is going to the middle level, and then it is going to the lower level. Accountability, responsibilities means this lower level people is answerable to the middle level. Okay, so this lower level people is answerable to the middle level. This middle level people is answerable to the top level. This top level people are directly not giving answer to the, means they are not having any rights. Okay, this lower level people are not having any rights directly to ask questions to the top level management, but they are having chance, only they have to give answer to the middle level and top level management. Means these people are working under the middle level people are working under the top level. So what is the main functions of top level managements? Okay, so in this top level management I told all type of board of directors, chairpersons, CEOs, everybody will be there. So what they are doing in the top level management? So in this top level management they are making some policies, some rules and regulations, some setup and making the objectives. Okay, these all are the main functions of the top level management. And middle level management, they had to recruit the staff, suitable persons for the suitable job, and they had to give some training, and they had to go for some supervision. That is the main function of middle level managers. And lower level management is also called as operational management. Okay, so in this operational management, they had to go for some activities. Okay, they had to follow all orders from the top level and middle level. This is the lower level management. Means management is depending upon the three levels: top level, middle level and lower level. Top level people is sending authority and commanding the middle level. Middle level people is having authority to pass orders to the lower level. But lower level people are not having any rights to pass commands and orders directly to the top level management. If any problem they are facing, they have to meet first to the middle level, then this middle level people can go to the top level and they can solve their problem. Any promotions, any demotions, any incentives, something they want to, okay, this lower level people meet to the middle level and this matter goes to the top level management. Okay, this is the levels of management.